There is no need for any skill, investment, or experience. $5 may appear little, but it adds up rapidly, and you can expect to see your balance grow every day. Many people from all over the world are currently earning $50 to $350 or more per day using this secret strategy. In this quick video, I'll show you everything step by step, including how to sign up for free and, most importantly, an exclusive extra trick to earn twice as much money. So make sure to watch till the end. Before we go further, welcome to Socio Media, where we teach you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button and press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. First and foremost, go over to this website, pixels.com. You can check for different options that you can download for free. Now, I want you to use your search engine to look for the phrase black and white photos. Take a look at all of these photos right here. They don't have many colors, and this is exactly how we can make money online by using all of these photos. After that, I'd like you to visit colorize.sg. This website enables you to colorize black and white photos. For example, if your photo is black and white, like the one on the left, you may colorize it using this free service, which can help you earn money online. So if you go down on this website, you can see where you can upload black and white images and you can convert them into a colored picture, and then sell them for $5 to $20 or more just by doing that for free. So now, we'll show you how to do it in this tutorial. I'll show you a few websites where we can start offering the service to others and start making money. So I'll go ahead and press this button and I'll be able to upload images to this website. And remember, you can do the same thing on your phone also. So right now, I'm going to pick one of these photographs and start uploading black and white photos to this website. As you can see, the original photo is black and white. This free website is great since it lets you colorize your photos. As you can see, we can compare these photographs immediately and notice that they have true colors from black and white photos. When I click this bar and carefully drag it from left to right, the black and white photo gradually colorizes. This is quite cool because you can submit photos with just one click and without any technical knowledge. On this website, the results can be downloaded by clicking on this download button. As you can see, I began downloading these photos on my computer. But you may do the same on your phone. So, I'll just click on these photos to show you the end result, and I've successfully converted the black and white photos into colored ones. And please, keep watching this video because I'll show you how to make money online using the service and this website. Now I'll show you a second way which you can do with pictures. The second website is remove.bg. This is essentially something you can do for free on this website. And it's totally automated. You can remove the background of a photo on this website, such as this one with a girl and then trees and all the backgrounds behind her. So once you use the software, you can actually remove the background and leave the girl and the guy right here. This is how you can use this new opportunity to remove the background. So now, go back and click on this blue button to upload a picture, and as you can see, I've submitted the original photo to remove.bg. And this will automatically remove the background. So next, click on this blue download button, and as you can see, I can begin downloading this without even creating an account or spending money on this page. And you can do it on your computer or your phone. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Now, I want to show you a couple of other websites where you can make money online. The first is fiverr.com. When you get to this page, type in a keyword such as colorized photos. You will be taken to this page. People from all over the world are selling their services. And if you look down below, you'll see people colorizing a black and white photo. For example, take this one where they transformed black and white photographs into vibrant colors. I believe it costs $10 to do so. This suggests that customers are paying for the services in a real way. Many people from all over the world profit from the opportunity to color black and white photographs. The colorized website which I previously demonstrated may be used to do the same purpose. So let's pretend that the seller is offering his professional coloring services, and all he does is turn black and white photos into colorful images that he can sell for a specified price. And you can also have that considerable amount of money. You can simply make coloring images on a free website like this one. And what's even better is that you can design your own basic package or a standard package for $30 or even a premium package for $50. Significantly, you can increase your earning potential. So if you wanna sign up for a free Fiverr account and start selling and making money online, all you have to do is click on this Become a Seller button and you'll be directed to this page, where you can sign up for a free account, where you can input your email address and then click the Proceed button. Now next, peopleperhour.com is the second website. You'll see that there are a lot of people selling various services on this website. If you utilize the search button, put background removal and press the enter key, you can see people are advertising background removal services for as much as $35 just to remove a background, which is exactly what the remove.bg website allows us to do. You can see doing this in a few seconds with a few clicks, and starting selling the services on this website is quite simple. As you can see by scrolling down below, many sellers are making money by just removing the background of pictures. People are already charging $15, $25, $10, and even $40 for this service. So if you're just starting out, all you have to do is price $5 and sell a lot of them. So that's the opportunity I wanted to present to you. If you want to create a free account on peopleperhour.com, go ahead and click this link, and then this page will appear. Make sure this category, I wish to work as a freelancer, is selected. And then click this button to create an account using an email address. Establish a free account by entering your name, email, and password. And that is exactly how these websites like colorize.sg and remove.bg may help you generate money on fiverr.com and peopleperhour.com. And that's it. If you have interest in videos like this, take a look at my other videos which are on your screen. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video. Thank you.